Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna break down the trade that I personally took on NAS100 and the one that happened on EURUSD, which was a beautiful trade. I don't know whether you took it or not, but that was a beautiful one. And I want to start with NAS100 first. So NAS100, this is exactly when it happened. At 10 a.m., not 8 a.m. because nothing happened the first 2 hours. I was just, I wasn't behind the charts, but I had to do something with my computer. I got back to the charts after 2 hours because after, I didn't see anything in the first 2 hours. And then I noticed that NAS100 is trying to create a very high probability order block. So exactly in this area, see, because right now, if you take a look at this picture, you see that it's consolidating. It's just going up and down, up and down, up and down in the middle of a trend. So it's not a clear trend you want to count on, but what I noticed was this two bullish candle, because when it dropped significantly, we have a break of a structure here, we have a break of a structure here. So now it's getting out of the trend. It's becoming bearish just because we had multiple break of structures towards downside. Right here, this one, this one, this one. See, there are so many indicators that's showing that the trend of the market is getting reversed towards downside. And if you want to find a high probability order block in the like a high probability supply zone to take your sell position, then you need to look at the last bullish candle that happened, which is this one. But since we have two bullish candles back to back, we take two of them. If it was three, we still take two of them. So last one or the last two from here to here. And then you see that when you cover these two candles, this candle dropped and the next candle after that never tapped into this zone. So that's why there's a gap between this candle and this zone here. So that's why this one makes this zone a high probability order block. So I was just waiting, I was just watching the charts to see what's going to happen exactly, and this is exactly what happened. And when I saw that, I immediately took my sell position here and then I put my stop loss here. And unfortunately, because I knew, and then I changed my time frame to 30 minutes to see where I need to get out of my position. There are also so many gaps above, which was kind of scary because I always thought that it's going to reverse to fill in all these gaps, but it didn't. But I wanted to find a really good take profit zone to just get out of the market. Because I didn't really want to take a one-to-one position. I knew that it's potential to take more than that. This one right here. Okay, so this line here was my TP. Okay, and then I had my position. It was a high probability order block. The trend is bearish. We had multiple breakout structures, and this is exactly what happened. So it was going up. It stopped me out. If my stop loss was 2 pips away, only 2 pips, like instead of here, if it was here, then I wouldn't have got stopped out, and I could take my profit all the way down here. Just because my stop loss was 2 pips, like, it wasn't 2 pips away, I got stopped out, and this is exactly what happened. So it literally stopped me out, and I wish I put my stop loss somewhere around here, and then it literally smashed my TP. It's not only that, because after that it just kept going down and down. So this is the first TP that is smashed, and then after that it was creating higher highs and lower lows and lower highs for more confirmation. So this was the first TP, and then it came up. We have a high probability order block here. Now it's a high probability supply zone. I didn't take any trade here, but I'm just saying that it keeps forming these high probability order blocks. And see, it literally tapped into this one as well. We could take our sell position here, stop loss here, TP here, and it would be another profitable trade just using high probability order blocks, guys. And this is the last bullish candle before it dropped, and as you can see, the next candle never tapped into the zone, so that's why it's a high probability supply zone. This one tapped, got rejected. We take our sell position, we close it here, we put our stop loss right here. That's it, guys. That's how we trade it very beautifully. Nothing is really hard in this strategy, and this is what happened for NAS100. So let me show you what happened on EURUSD, which was absolutely crazy. It was a really good one and everybody loved it. So the price was here, And then everybody, like, you know, people I know and also myself, I didn't take this trade, but it was a beautiful one. I just want to share with you that after this huge drop, like before that, the last bullish candle is this one. So if you cover the entire candle from the bottom all the way to the top, which is here, the next candle, but on top, because, you know, we need to just be more conservative. That's why I draw it on the entire candle plus this. And then I noticed that this is the first candle that dropped, and the next candle never tapped into the zone, so that's why there is a gap between here and this zone here. That's why it's definitely a high probability order block. So everybody was waiting for the price to tap into this level, and it actually did, because it was a huge rejection after that. See, this candle literally tapped into the zone, and then after that it formed a red candle. You could take your sell position below the previous candle and put your stop loss here and your TP all the way down, because it's actually a potential trade if you want to take a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio trade. See, it's a beautiful trade that literally formed this morning, because everything was clean. We had a high probability order block and a 5-minute time frame that got tapped into, and even in 15-minute time frame, you can see that how big of a rejection we had literally after the price tapped into this level. And if I switch it to 5 minutes again, you'll see that this is a high probability order block, got rejected, candle, you take your sell position here, your stop loss here, your TP here, and then you can take a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio trade, which was crazy, guys. Just using one strategy, which is high probability order block or high probability supply and demand zones, guys. That's all I did. But for NAS100, it was a beautiful trade. But if my stop loss was 2 pips away, I wouldn't have got a stopped out. But it happened. There's no problem with that. And we get ready for the next week. So today's Friday, and these were the trades that happened. So before you go, guys, let me show you the results of Goldi Incubator since March 7th all the way to April 22nd, which is today's date. 88.61% profit on a $1,000 account, a brand new account. It's a real one. And this is our VPS account. These are all the trades that it took during London session, like, you know, almost 12 hours ago. These are all the trades for 22nd, 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 and as you can see, in overall we are up $373 since April 1st, and this is our balance, and it's live, as you can see, and everything is clear here. So if you want to, you know, see kind of similar results, you don't want to trade manually, you don't want to get involved in the market, and you think that automated trading is a really good option for you, because most of the times I don't trade, because Goldi Incubator is actually trading for me, and we're making 1.39% profit every single day. So you can grab your license from smartyincubator.com. The link is down below this video in the description. And if you have any question, there is a chat widget on our website on the main menu that you can answer. You can ask all your questions there, and one of my team members will gladly respond to your questions and will assist you with all of your questions. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Again, if you have any question, you know what to do. You can also drop your comment here, and I'll see you in the next one.